Guys, another game of Minecraft. This person over here, over there, he's waiting for his microphone. Okay, so that. But why would I need those when I don't even have a sword? What the hell? I'm gonna get out now. I'm just gonna leave this guy safe. Currently on a flat ass land and yep. Oh, there's zombies out there. That's gonna make that noise. Beep! That noise. Guys, the sound color of the other. Even I can hear it. Okay.
Yeah, there's something.
Okay.
This is cool.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I'm from the.
Look at this. Look at this.
No, can you hear me from the thing?
Oh, look, there's skeletons. Come to me.
Demolition tower.
Just I'll shoot that. He's there.
Can't even hear you.
What?
Can't even hear you from my earphone.
Nah, Jackie, I can't hear you.
Hey.
I just said what?
Yo.
Yeah. Man, can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I can't hear you. Ha! Look. Wait. Can you hear me? Sorry guys, we're gonna end it there for today. Sorry that it's a short game.
Yeah.
Bye. Later.
Yeah.
Later.